Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks. In this video I'll discuss a problem, that is how to remove ith indexed character from a string. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a string, we have to remove the ith indexed character from a string. So let's clear with the examples. In the first example, we have input a string as geek and I is equal to 1. The output should be GEK as first index character is removed from the input string, that is E. In the second input we have string as Peter and I is equal to 4. The output should be PETE as fourth indexed character, that is R, is removed from a string. Now let's know the solution of the problem. Perhaps in this approach we have used Python in order to solve this problem quickly. First we need to split the string into two halves, that is after and before indexed character. Then finally we will return the merged string. Now let's have a look at the implementation of this problem. We have user defined function which takes two parameters, that is string and a variable I. Character inside the function we have a variable which stores characters before the ith indexed, and we have another variable, that is b, which stores characters after the nth indexed. Then finally we return the merged string, that is string after removing nth indexed character. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.